About a month ago, I was talking about in one of my videos about bacterial infection. So, an infection that can happen between a lifted enhancement, nail enhancement, so either gel, acrylic, or dip in the natural nail. So, this person, this viewer, sent me these pictures, and the poor girl, she was freaking out. So, today I wanted to give you a quick update on how her nail is looking. Okay, so actually, these pictures are from I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks later. As you can see, the nail is looking better. She obviously applied some oil. The nail is looking better. The nail does not look as green, which also is normal and it's to be expected. And that's a good thing, because if the bacteria was progressing, if the bacteria wasn't dead, it would be getting darker. But now it's getting lighter. Some of the bacteria is actually fading. So that's a good thing. And the reason why I'm so excited to do this video is to, I guess, show you the progress and what's common. I don't want to say normal, but what's common, in case you are in the same position, you know what to expect and you know what you should not be okay with. So basically, if this nail was getting worse, if there was any redness, if there was any pain, then this would not be a good thing, and definitely go and see a doctor. But in this case, I kind of had a feeling this would improve on its own, because the area now was clean. I told her to shorten the nail so there was less pressure on the nail, and this is how the nail looked 2 weeks later. Unfortunately, the nail has lifted, and this one has lifted as well. So there is a bit of onycholysis, and that is unfortunately to be expected because there was so much surface damage. So again, I told her to keep the nails short as possible. If there is any length, there is too much pressure on this area, which can cause very painful cracks and breaks. So as short as possible, weekly maintenance, weekly shortening of the nails and shaping. I would just make this nail a little bit more oval and as short as possible without obviously causing you pain or anything. And this one as well. But as you can see, so the nail is just simply growing out. Many times people email me a month or 2 months later after taking off gel, acrylics, dips, whatever, with some surface damage. And they are disappointed that the nails are not getting better. But once the nail is overfiled like this, you can only support this area. You can keep it as healthy as possible. You can condition it, but you can't really repair it. There was no way of repairing it. At this point, again, I'm going to say, because people are still doing it, they're putting hardeners on the nails like this. You do not want to put hardeners. You want to support this growth with products like Isden Pen, nice penetrating oil, things like that. But I wouldn't be even using the PI repair mode on nails that are this thin and separated like this. No, I wouldn't be using it. So only the Isden Pen, oils as much as you can, urea creams, and just wait for this to grow out, which is going to take another, I would say, 2 months. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing how her nail is going to look in 2 months, I'm going to ask her, and hopefully we'll get the pictures, and keeping our fingers crossed that her pre-nails are going to grow out and look beautiful naturally. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.